We do quite a few of contemporary pieces, but 2 years ago we launched our first legacy, and this is number 2. This time we took a little time-traveling machine and we sent it back another 150 years, meaning we are 250 years ago. And at that time there were a number of watchmaking geniuses, Berthoud, Breguet, Janvier. They all attempted to find solutions to one of their big problems, which was the low quality of lubrication oils and, of course, the lower precision they had in manufacturing their components. One of the solutions they experimented with was multiple balance wheels. Rather than relying on a single system, on a single escapement, they thought if we can add a second escapement, that will give us a better result and more reliability. If you fast forward then towards the end of the 1800s, it seems there were some first experiments with dual balance wheels and a differential in between. 2 balance wheels spinning at slightly different rates, and then a differential averaging them out and pushing them towards 1 hour and minute indication. In more recent times, one of the most famous pieces is the Philippe Dufour Duality Wristwatch, which picks up exactly on that idea. It's a rare piece, there are only 9 pieces made. 10 years ago, Max saw one of those pieces at a collector's dinner and thought, wow, what an incredible piece. He flipped it over, of course, saw those 2 balance wheels, but at the same time he thought, wouldn't it be nice to actually show those 2 balance wheels and the differential system in a much more visible way. 10 years later, we come out with legacy machine number 2, which is, again, 2 balance wheels. Very importantly, they're separate enough to not influence each other. They're beating at their own natural rates, and then down here at the bottom you have that differential that is making an average of those 2 independent rates and pushing them up towards the hours and minutes. We've done it in legacy style, meaning flying balance wheels rather than having them in the movement at the back. We've suspended them above the dial, and the same goes for the differential itself. The size of the case is 44 millimeters, so it's exactly like legacy machine number 1. We've gained a little bit in height because we needed to house those 2 balances under the same sapphire crystals. The watchmakers we teamed up with are Kari Voutilainen and Jean-François Moujon, again, like legacy machine number 1. The aesthetics of the movement, the finishing, are the works of Kari. And of course the construction of the movement is Jean-François Moujon and his team at Chronode.